So now we're going to fold up, collect, cross the arms in front of your chest at the wrists, and then roll them so that they're on the edge. So we're going to open the arms in a parabola. The left hand will be more or less opposite the right elbow, and the hands will be at shoulder height. And we're going to kick with the side of the foot, that grass sparrow's tail. We kick with the edge of the foot. It doesn't have to be above this height, the knee or below. So the most important thing is, remember, the wrists. Don't cross the hands. Left hand inside right wrist, or left wrist inside right wrist, and then roll them. Roll them.